Hey guys, this is Sakib. Welcome back to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we'll showcase another exciting WordPress gallery building widget, the Flame Gallery. This is also a minimalistic widget for making image galleries a more enjoyable experience by adding a sip of image zoom animation touch with a hover effect. The gallery can be used to display images as well as a means to attach videos to your gallery for boosting user experience. Just see how cool the front end looks when it's complete. Now let me show you around the backend and how we made such a cool gallery interface with the Flame widget. The widget has been already dropped inside the Elementor editor page. The first option within the layout section defines the number of grid columns used for shaping the Flame gallery skeleton. Drag the row gap scroll bar to increase the distance between the two rows of items. Also use the column gap scroll bar to evenly match the column space. There is also a height adjuster for items and a masonry switcher to transform the gallery. Below are two switchers to control the visibility of the title and meta text on the grid gallery. With the image size option, you can change the image resolution for all images used inside the gallery widget. After that, click on the link option and select media file. You can toggle the lightbox option for the images. Then keep the link target option to whole item for making the entire image a trigger for the inserted links. All gallery image boxes can be found in the item section. Here you can add more item boxes by clicking the add item button or click the cross sign to close the existing individual items. Now click on the first item box and let's change the title text. Then switch media type from the image to video, which will add a play icon on the item box. Then choose a cover image for the item from media library. Notice there are two options below the image field for embedding video from different video sources with player controls. Then let's switch to the second item box and change its image and then the title text. You can customize the meta text too. Following that, change the info for all gallery items. Once finished, let's go back to the first item box and now switch to the grid subsection. Here you can customize the size of the individual item through column and row spans. Now select 8 column spans here and 2 row span. You can already see how the first item is now occupying the space for 2 item rows and giving such a nice layout for the grid gallery. Now let's move on to the style tab for appearance customizations. There's already a default gradient overlay applied over the gallery images from the first section. Let's click the ungroup button and add border radius values in the top and bottom fields to curve the edges of the images. Then move to the play icon section and change the icon color to white. Also drag the size scroll bar and make the icon bigger. Then go to the title field and customize the font of the titles through typography option. Change the font family, size and weight. Next, go to the meta section and customize the typography as well in the same way as the title. Once done, you can minimize the options panel and check out the freshly baked image gallery made with the Flame widget. It's nothing difficult and you can easily create awesome galleries with the widgets provided by the Pixel Gallery add-on for Elementor. Thanks for enjoying this video. Please like, share and subscribe to get notifications for the next widget tutorials. Stay safe. See you next time.